यूट्यूब चैनल से और आज सब लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे डिकॉन टेक्नोलॉजी शेयर प्राइस शेयर स्लाइड 5% to 52 week low. Should you buy or sell the stock? No expert view. Shares of Dixon Technology Ltd fell more than 5% on Tuesday, January 13, extending losses for the third consecutive trading session. With the latest decline, the stock has slipped to its lowest level since June 2024, reflecting the sustained and selling pressures in recent weeks. From its 52-week high of res 18,471, Dixon Technologies stock has now corrected by over 40%. This sharp fall has also dragged the company's market capitalization before the res 70,000 crore mark, highlighting the severity of the recent down. Dixon Technologies share price today. Share of Dixon Technology India Ltd witnessed a sharp decline in Tuesday's trading session on January 13, with the stock trading significantly lower by mid-afternoon. As of 3:13 p.m., Dixon Technology was caught at res 11,235 on the NSE, down res 607 or 5.30%. The stock opened the session at res 11,950 and briefly moved higher to an intraday high of res 11,964. However, strong sellings emerged soon after, dragging the shares price to an intraday low of res 11,180, which also marked its 52-week low. The context stock performance remained weak in early 2026. So far in 2026, Dixon Technologies has declined in 6 out of 9 trading sessions, underperforming broader market indices. On Tuesday, the stock was trading around res 11,254, down nearly 5%, making it the top loser on the Nifty 50 index. Should you buy whole or sell Dixon Tech share? Check the brokerage recommendation. Brokerage firms HSBC maintained it is the buy rating on Dixon Technologies on Monday, but supply cut it is the price target to res 15,500 from res 19,600. Earlier in it is the note, HSBC cited several near-term headwinds, including a surge in memory price delay in the joint venture approval and the concern around the expiry of the mobile PLI incentive, which could weigh on the company's performance. HSBC also expected a substitute deals the cutter, noting the absence of any major growth target during the period. As a result, the brokerage reduced the earning estimate for financial year 2026 financial year 2028 by 3 to 5%, and the lower it is the target price to earning multiple to 50 times. In contrast, investment a bullish stand on Dixon Technology. In this note, the release on the Tuesday, assigning and higher price target res 18,900, indicating the confidence in the company's long-term growth prospect. According to the CNBC TV report, Dixon Technology is currently tracked by 35 analysts. Of these, 27 analysts have a buy rating, 2 recommendation hold, with 6 have a sell rating, indicating mixed statement but a broadly positive long-term outlook. Thank you.